Jack here, and I've got with me this KYDJ earwax removal kit. This is a passive, non-electronic device that you use in place of Q-tips that's better for your ears. Now, full disclosure, this was sent to me for free for this video, but as always, that won't change anything that I say. We'll pull it out of the package, and this is what you get. You get the device itself and some instructions. We'll take a look at those really quick. It's just one page here showing you how to use the different tips and how to clean the device. So be sure to check this out. There's also some warnings. You know, just be careful anytime you're using something to clean your ears. Be gentle and careful. So here's the main device itself. It is like kind of the size of a pen. It's not too long, but this is the tip right here, and it's very easy to slide it right out. You can slide that back in, and this is what you're actually going to use to clean your ear. Now, I like that it's not too long. You can't stick it too far into your ear. Now, you do get like what looks to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tips total. 8 tips total here, and this is what you're going to use to clean your ear. Now, the way they recommend using it is inserting the tip gently and carefully into your ear, and then you want to be very careful not to use this while you're walking or moving, as it could cause you to bump accidentally. And then from there, you're just going to twist the tip. Then the earwax can be easily removed. So basically insert, twist, and then pull out. Now I will say, having just tried this out for the first time, the tip is pretty soft and rubbery. It's a little bit harder feeling in my ear than I thought it might. It's very soft to the touch, but when it goes in your ear, it can feel a little bit pokey, but I think that's okay, all things considered, because I do feel like it's cleaning pretty well. Now I clean my ears pretty good, so there's not really anything coming out on here, but for someone who has dirtier ears and needs to clean their ears in a more efficient way, I think this is a solid option. I really like how it's got the screw function, like the little screw design here, because that's what is basically going to help collect the earwax and then pull it out. So KYDJ earwax removal kit, really neat tool, lots of attachments, and a great way to keep your ears nice and clean and keep you hearing at your best. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helped your purchase decision. I'll see you in the next one.